In a world where whispers of the ocean spoke, coral stood as the silent guardian. "We are the shield," they murmured, embracing the waves. Storms roared, but the coral held firm, their vibrant arms weaving a tapestry of protection. "Together we stand," they chanted, defying the chaos. As the tempest subsided, the coast remained untouched, a testament to their strength. "We are the unseen heroes," they echoed, basking in the sun's warmth. The ocean smiled, knowing its secret was safe. Like coral, we too can stand strong against life's storms. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.